In this video, I want to show you how to automatically adjust table columns to fit text in Microsoft Word. When you have your table like this and you have your text inside, and instead of adjusting it manually, there is a way to automatically adjust the table to fit the text. To do that, just click to highlight your table, just like this. Then come under Table Tools, come to Layouts, then come to Auto Fit. Click on the drop down, and here is Auto Fit Content. So if you click on Auto Fit Content, you can see that it has automatically adjusted the table columns to fit in the text. So this is how to automatically adjust table column to fit text in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.